Ever wondered how robots move so precisely? Want to predict robotic behavior with MATLAB simulations? Struggling with robotic kinematics or controlling robot arms? Let's dive in. Hi, we're the Educational Engineering Team, a group of seasoned engineers with over 13 years of experience in microcontrollers, programming, and robotics. We've helped over 250,000 students master complex concepts through simple, step-by-step lessons. I'm Ashraf, your lead instructor and mechatronics engineer. I've authored 4 books and run a YouTube channel with over 4 million views. We are passionate about turning tough engineering topics into easy wins for you. In this course, you'll explore everything from robotic kinematics and dynamics to advanced simulations using MATLAB's Robotics Toolbox. You'll master extracting DH parameters, applying forward and inverse kinematics, and running hands-on simulations that mirror real-world robotics challenges. By the end, you'll not only understand robotics theory, but also gain practical skills to analyze, simulate, and control robotic systems. Perfect for projects, career growth, or just leveling up your skills. Just like Emily and John, who used our methods to bring robotic projects to life with confidence. Enroll now and start mastering robotics with MATLAB simulations today. Click the link and join thousands of learners already on their journey to robotics mastery.